Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G series, factory unlocked, 64GB, US version, black, renewed. This sleek and powerful smartphone is packed with features that will take your mobile experience to the next level. First off, let's talk about the Android 13.0 operating system. This phone runs on the latest Android OS for smooth performance and up-to-date features, ensuring that you have access to all the latest apps and services. Next, let's dive into the connectivity options. With Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, you can stay connected with others wirelessly and stream content at high speeds, making it easier than ever to stay in touch and enjoy your favorite media on the go. Now, let's take a look at the gorgeous 6.6 AMOLED display. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or browsing the web, you'll enjoy vivid content on a large high-resolution screen that's perfect for immersive entertainment. And of course, we can't forget about the quad camera array. Capture stunning photos and 4K video with the advanced camera system, so you can always have high-quality memories at your fingertips. Finally, let's talk about battery life. With a large 5000 mAh battery, you can power through the day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. This phone has the stamina to keep up with your busy lifestyle. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G series is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a powerful, feature-packed smartphone. And if you want to get your hands on one, be sure to check out the link in the description below to make your purchase. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.